Hey guys, Coop here. Just figured I'd do a quick video on showing you guys how you can do live streams and videotape your videos for YouTube. This is a simple way that I do it whenever I'm doing Tumblr tutorials. It's really simple concept. Basically, it's just PVC. I have my phone cradled in a phone holder, and it's just PVC pipe, guys. If you want to make live stream videos or even videos for YouTube while you're making your tumblers, this is a perfect setup. You don't have to use it for just tumblers. You can use this setup also for making reviews of any kind, but it's just made out of PVC pipe. It's very simple. 3 T's, 2 elbows. You got to drill your hole for your mount. The mounts you can get on Amazon or eBay for just a couple bucks. Couple caps. That's about it, guys. It's pretty simple. I'm sure you can see how to make it. Very easy there. But if you're wanting to make videos for YouTube or live stream on Facebook, this is a perfect way to do it. All right, guys and gals, you guys all know we had the social media sites up and going. Everything will be linked down below. You can come over and join us on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It's entirely up to you. So with all that being said, I hope this video helped some of you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Old Coop's pretty much gonna say, Coop out.